The Truth of Florence Nightingale. You've heard of Florence Nightingale, but did you know that she collected shells? She kept them in a pouch bound to her hip, which she would take along on every trip. But did she keep them to make art, to decorate a Christmas card? Did she intend to give them to a child, that it may know the beauty of the wild? Or did she fill them up with perfumed smells? What did she do with all those shells? Well, let me tell you all the truth, if you believe me without proof. For you must know that Florence was a ninja, using shells as throwing stars.